Hey plenty friends, welcome back to another new video, or hi if you're new. My name is David, and on this channel we upload a lot of plant content. Yeah, today we're going to be planting some bulbs that I got on a plant shopping video. If you haven't seen that plant shopping video, I usually say like one of the eyes will be popping up in the corner, but like at the same time I don't really like to do that, so you can check it out on my channel. It's like one of the recent plant shopping videos I have filmed. We went to Lowe's, we got some fun bulbs, and honestly each one is a little bit pricey. Each one was like $8. It's $7.98, not including tax, I'll be but it's only one bulb. A little bit pricey, but at the same time honestly I would pay that amount because like these leaves are stunning. Like look at this one. Supposedly it is full sun to partial shade. The height of this plant is 36 to 72 or 91 to 183 centimeters, and its cold hardness is 10 to 0 Fahrenheit, which is pretty cool. And it does bloom. It blooms from the summer to fall foliage, but since these will be indoors, I don't think I'm gonna make it bloom. And I love this. I don't know, I love the way it looks. It is called the elephant ear white lava, which I honestly see why they call it white lava. It looks like lava a little bit. I think it's super cute, and I just think it's cool, you guys, to be honest. I don't know, I love foliage. I'm like a big foliage person. And the next I will be unboxing this, and yeah, I'm super excited that I was able to get these. And the next one is called the elephant ear Hawaiian punch. And same price, same thing, but this one has really beautiful, colorful stems. The leaves are pretty basic. They're just like green, you know, your basic foliage. And it looks a little bit burnt on the sides. So I'm wondering if like, it has like a little bit of a cup type of look on these leaves. And yeah, I love the stems. I think it's going to be so beautiful in the plant room. I'm trying to like also like bring more colors in here, like not really, but I think that would be an amazing display. And like I'm so super excited on how it's gonna look. So yeah, really excited for this. And to be honest, this was supposed to be yesterday's video, but I got super busy. I had an interview and some things ended up coming up. So yeah, I'm kind of like a little bit salty on myself because like I was trying to post every single day and not miss an upload, but I missed an upload, so that's pretty great. But no, so this is super fun. All of these plants are honestly for like outdoors. These are all for, like I said, I'm sorry, for outdoors, and I'm gonna use them for indoors because they're like literally partial shades. I'm gonna put them on grow lights, so I think they should do pretty good. I know they get humongous if you give it like a lot of light, especially if you put it like in the shade outside. They get really big. Like California elephant ears or Rigo shield, like God have mercy, they get huge. But I don't think it's gonna happen in here, so I can try my best, but we're gonna see. As you guys will know, like in the houseplant tours, you guys will get updates. And the last one that I ended up getting is called an elephant ear black magic, which honestly I wasn't really into. I feel like it's a little bit basic. Like I see these plants downtown a lot, and I'm just like, I don't know. But like I said, I do want to like get more beautiful foliage in the plant room. I want it to be like more colorful and stunning without using so many flowers, because I know that flowers, like, it's only like a limited amount of time, while foliage, it lasts a lot longer. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It is honestly the same specs. Is that what you call it? I don't even know. It's the same stuff as the other ones. So super excited. And all of these bloom. Like honestly, a lot of plants bloom. Some are more easier than others. I noticed that begonias and peperonias bloom a lot easier than a lot of other stuff. I know some people's calita medallions are like blooming right now, so that's super cool. And here is my basic potty mix that I'm pretty low on. So, ooh, a lot of perlite dust just came out. I don't like doing it inside because dust gets all over the place and it gets in my mouth. But do it for the video, right? So yeah. Oh, I was supposed to unbox. Lord have mercy. Yeah, it is pretty early. I'm gonna edit this video right now and get it up as soon as possible. And I want to talk to you about like content ideas. Like if you guys have any like recommendations, because I was gonna post honestly another Lowe's plant shopping video, but I've done so many of those. Even though y'all love those videos, I don't want to like post it so much because I feel like people get tired of it. Oh my god, I'm gonna be hard to open. Ooh, honey. Where are my scissors? I honestly had scissors, but I don't know. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but I always seem to lose my tijeras. Like, they just seem to, like, fly away. I don't know. I'm gonna try like not to rip this part, the front, so I know what to expect, and the back, just in case I want to look into it. But I'm gonna rip the sides so I can get into the. I can just get some tijeras, but yeah, like that's not what we do in here, Miss Madam. Okay, so this is the Black Magic. Like I said, it's only one bulb. Now look at that! It looks a little bit purplish. Oh, my pretty girl. No, I do it so I can focus on the bulb, because if I don't, it looks like a little bit blurry, I think so. When I put my hand in it, I think it helps. But yeah, super cool. Like, look at that. And I see some little small ones on the side, which honestly, I feel like they're like little plants. I'm gonna leave it in there because I could split them. I don't know if it's gonna succeed. But I'm like I said, I'm gonna leave it in there because I want it to be like a more fuller plant. Because who doesn't love, like, you know, a beautiful fuller plant? I'm forgetting to talk. The next one is the elephant ear Hawaiian punch. Like I said, perlite already got into my mouth. Oh no. I was gonna show you guys some updates on the plant run, but I feel like this video is getting a little bit way too long. The longer it is, the longer it takes me to edit. Which is not a problem, but I want to get this video up as soon as I can. This one has like also more bulbs on it. I did a little bit of like mold, so it's not squishy, which is good. You want to squeeze your bulbs. If they're squishy, then that means it's rotten, which it's very like the chances of it like sprouting is low. But here's the other one. Put it over here, the Hawaiian punch, Black Magic, and my favorite one, White Lava. These are all elephant ears. I don't know, I think elephant ears are like super cool. I just love how big their leaves get. Alrighty. I'm honestly debating if I should put them like in small little pot. Oh, this is weird. Never mind. I take that back. I take it back. This is the White Lava one, and same thing, there's like white stuff on the tip. I heard that is not good, but yeah, I'm still gonna try because I paid a lot of money for this. For me, like, that's a lot of money. And the roots are pretty insane. Like, this is a roots. Like, what? I'm like debating if I should get my cup of coffee. Time to get our party mix. This is some basic party mix. It's just some Miracle Grow inside, some perlite, charcoal, orchid bark in here, and that's literally it. I want it to be like really good, and a little bit of sphagnum moss to have pockets of moisture. Honestly, y'all, oh my god, you're kind of you guys cannot see all the dust coming, but like, it's not fun. And before I like get a comment, I know they need a bigger pot, but as of now, they're gonna be in these small little pots until they sprout. I'll upgrade them to a bigger pot. Until then, they're gonna stay in these little 6-inch pots that I got from Amazon from like a long time ago. It was like 50 of these 6-inch pots for like $11, I think so. I'm not so sure. If you guys want me to link it down below, let me know. Like, just in the comment section, like, ask, and I'll like link it down in the comment section. Alright, oh my god, I'm not even labeling them. Okay, this is a Hawaiian punch, I know that for sure. Damn. The next one is the White Lava. I'm running out of, hold on. Damn. By the way, it is not good inhaling perlite. It's not good for you, darlings. Be really careful. You're not gonna die, but if you do it on a daily basis, like, that's not good for you. I just don't like the dust going into my mouth. I'm gonna do like the one that I love the most, or the one I don't, because like I'm gonna forget. So White Love is my favorite, Hawaiian punch, and then Black Magic, because we do not want to forget, Miss Honey. Oh, I'm not even showing you guys how you do it. So usually, like, when you see this, that's where the roots develop, and if you see that this is just like a 1000%. So if you see like a little sprout, this always goes up, usually, like majority in all bulbs. Some like to be sideways, or upside down. I think there's one that likes to be upside down. Anyways, so yeah, and if you're not sure, just put it like this. Instead of putting like that, like, you know, the way it's supposed to be. If, like I said, if you're not sure, just put it sideways and it should help. But when you see a little sprout, that's always up. And usually when you see like a little, like, I forgot what you call this, but if you see this, that's where the roots develop, so that goes down. I hope that was helpful. I'm trying my best, you guys. Ooh, okay. So, because I'm almost out of it, but I want you guys to see. Ooh. Wow, that was it, you guys. Okay, there it is. I was like, did I put too much soil inside? So I'll keep you guys updated, possibly like on the community post if I see any sprouts, and let you guys know what's going on. And that's basically it for this video. It was very short, but I'm gonna make it into like a little playlist. I don't know, I just find this so much fun when they make like a little playlist, and like they do it when they grow the little seed or the bulb or the cutting, and then they show progress like weekly. And it'll be so much fun and a lot easier for me to like have content ideas. But yeah, and honestly, the next video after this one, because I'm gonna film a video right now, is showing you guys some propagation updates. I have propagated so many plants and there's so many things going on. I'm gonna open the windows to get some fresh air because the perlite is just like getting to me, honey. I'm fine though, like it's just perlite. But damn. And one of the fun things that I am rooting right now, or propagating, yeah, I think rooting, is a mango seed, you guys. I am so excited. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And give this video a big thumbs up. Like, why not? It's free and it helps my channel out so much. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.